Hi, good afternoon. Could you please tell us your name, designation, and how long have you been associated with KM?
I'm Dr. Rama Manchanda. I have been here since 1984,
Oh, wow.
and it's been a very satisfying experience. I joined as a pathologist. Basically, that time I met Mrs. Banu Koyaji in Delhi, and I was shifting to Pune. I asked her, "Do you have a position for me?" She said, "You come, we'll see what we can do." And that time their pathologist was retiring. The pathologist was doing everything. There are different divisions of pathology: histopathology, hematology, biochemistry, cytology, and immunology, blood banking. She said, "You do everything." Then when I came here, I said, "Sorry, ma'am, I can only do hematopathology." Because for the last 10 years in Delhi, when I graduated from Lady Hardinge Medical College and worked in Maulana Azad Medical College, I was only doing hematopathology. So I said, "I cannot take over your pathology department. You split your department into different branches, and then I will come and start your hematopathology." She said hematology at the moment is very little part of our total sample load from the pathology. So I said, "You take your time, but I'm not capable of doing what you're offering me." 4 months down the line, she called me. She said, "I'm splitting the department. Would you be interested?" I said, "Yes." And that time, Dr. Anand Pandit and Dr. Varia told me, "You come." I said, "They're good friends." I said, "Okay, here I am." And she gave me full control, and we started the hematology department that time. Split the pathology into histopathology. When Dr. Avinash Pradhan joined, I joined, and one more person joined. At that time, I think Dr. Arun Kinnare joined in the ultrasound department. Pathology was split into these branches, and since then I have not looked back. I've had the full support from the management and have been very happy working here.
Fantastic.
So that has been so far. In between, sometime they offered me the directorship of pathology. I said, "Okay, no problem. Happy to be of any use more than just my hematopathology." And I have no regrets on that. So
Oh,
been
it was
very
almost
happy.
as if though this was meant to be.
I joined KEM because of this reason, that it gave me an opportunity to do what I wanted to do. Hematology in Pune was very nascent at that time. There were very few people who were doing hematology. And hematology was a very young branch of medicine. And that's how I saw the opportunity. I saw the ethos of KEM Hospital, and I decided this was the place for me. So I'm still here.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
lovely, and it's a long time too.
It's a long time, no regrets.
I have
Still
to-
enjoying it.
Lovely. I have
Yeah.
to ask you, so you've highlighted why you wanted to join KEM and all the ethos
Yes.
and all that. But
Yes.
why did you choose to get into the healthcare industry?
Oh, that's another story. I had not really, though nobody in my family is a doctor. Nobody. I don't know, somehow the science fascinated me. Right from human body science to astronomy to everything. So I think because of science, and gradually everything fell into place. Got admission into Lady Hardinge, so very happy, never looked back. If I had not become a doctor, maybe I would have become a good graphic designer. That's what I wanted to be, a very diverse kind of interest. So I was enrolled in JJ School of Arts in Bombay also, because I was not sure whether I will get medicine or not. But I got admission into medicine, and I think it's a very good career for women especially, Men still have to struggle a lot. But we choose to work for our happiness. We don't work for economic reason. And that's the reason why it's an excellent profession for girls. You can work part-time, you can work full-time, you can take a break in your career for 3 months and yet come back to the same profession, which you can't do in any corporate job.
That's true.
So, very happy in healthcare industry and enjoying it.
I think that if you had chosen the path of being a graphic designer, you would have a lot of opportunities today.
I don't know, I still have a lot of opportunities here.
That's a really nice way of
Yes, yes, all the opportunities that I wanted have been provided by this institute. We started with only a small CBC, one small test, and now we are at flow cytometry and entering into molecular biology, and I think all thanks to the institute. They have really backed me up. Whatever I asked for, it has been given. So enjoyed it.
That's great.
Yeah.
Doctor, I have to ask you, I mean, I know you probably get asked this a lot, but what do you most enjoy about being a doctor?
Being in pathology, the moment I look down the microscope and I can find the diagnosis for a patient. That's our job. And if you find the right diagnosis, then you put the patient on the right path for therapy. And I think that's the most important part. When we diagnose a patient, hand them back to the clinicians with the proper diagnosis, whom they can look after then.
So doctor, what would be your one piece of advice to young medical students today? It doesn't necessarily have to be one, it can be a few more.
Yeah, okay. Well, the young doctors must early on in their career focus on specializing into something which interests them and develop a passion for it. So to follow your passion and whatever area that they want, they have to specialize. Like in pathology, general pathology is totally out these days. There are so many avenues, so many branches in pathology. They have to follow any one of them, but identify it early on in your careers and then stick to it, master it, so that people come to you for that advice. So my advice is, follow your passion, identify your interest early on in your career, stick to your branches and master it. That's my advice to all the youngsters.
I think that's fantastic advice and very different to what we normally hear here. So thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
Lovely.
Thank you.